Welcome back to Furious Cars, the channel where we dive into real-world rides that actually get your heart racing. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our crew. We've got more awesome car content coming your way, and you don't want to miss out. Now let's get into a beast from the past that's back to shake things up, the 2026 Oldsmobile 442. First things first, let's just take a moment to appreciate what Oldsmobile is doing here. I mean, who thought we'd see the 442 badge return in 2026? It's like bringing vinyl records back, but way louder and a whole lot faster. And no, this isn't some electric experiment trying to wear a muscle car badge. Nah, this thing stays true to its roots, all-American 5.8, rear-wheel drive, and enough attitude to make your neighbors think twice about starting their lawn mower too early on a Sunday. The design, it's muscular, but not overdone. It doesn't try to look like a spaceship, thank God. You get those classic sharp lines, a bold front grille that's got serious, get out of my way, energy, and quad exhaust screaming out the back. It's low, wide, and aggressive, exactly what a muscle car should be. They've managed to blend some retro vibes with modern touches, like LED lighting all around, massive forged wheels, and a nice little ducktail spoiler that just completes the look. It feels like Oldsmobile picked up right where they left off. Under the hood, and here's where the smile gets bigger, we're talking a 6.6-liter naturally aspirated V8. No turbos, no hybrids, just raw displacement doing what it does best. It pushes out a savage 505 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. You hit the gas, and it doesn't politely ask for permission, it just launches. 0 to 60. Around 3.8 seconds, which is no joke for a car that still feels like a proper street machine. There's also a 6-speed manual transmission option, and if you're like me, that's the one you're going for. Rowing your own gears in a 442 just hits different. Now don't get it twisted, this isn't some floaty boat from back in the day. The suspension's been seriously upgraded. You've got adaptive dampers, a limited slip differential, and massive Brembo brakes that bring you to a stop fast without drama. On the road, it actually handles corners like it's got something to prove, but still gives you that raw muscle car feel. It doesn't try to be a track monster, it's more about drama, presence, and fun. You feel connected to the road, like it's talking back to you with every corner. Inside, it's exactly what you want, not too flashy, not too bare. It's got that retro-modern mix nailed. The seats are supportive and wrapped in leather with contrast stitching that gives a nod to the original 442 styling. The steering wheel's thick, the analog dials look sick, and there's even a bit of wood trim, which honestly works in this car. Infotainment. Sure, it's got a touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but they've kept the tech from getting in the way. It's all about the drive, not the distraction. One of my favorite things about the 2026 442 is how unapologetically loud it is. The exhaust note is deep, throaty, and just plain mean. At idle, it rumbles like it's got a chip on its shoulder. On throttle, it screams like a proper V8 should. It's got that old school soul with just enough modern refinement so it doesn't feel like you're driving a dinosaur. You can daily this thing if you're brave enough, and honestly, I would. Fuel economy. Not great, but who cares? You don't buy a 442 to save gas. You buy it because you love cars, and you want every drive to feel like an event. It's not for everyone, and that's what makes it special. There are a million crossovers out there if you want quiet, efficient, and boring. This is for the folks who still love the smell of gas and rubber in the morning. Now let's talk about who this car is really for. If you're someone who misses the muscle car era, the real one, not the watered-down versions, the 442 is calling your name. It's not a poser. It's not trying to be something it's not. It knows what it is, and it owns it. The kind of people who'll buy this car. They're gonna cruise on weekends, hit some back roads, maybe even take it to a car meet just to remind the younger crowd what a real muscle car sounds like. There's something satisfying about a brand like Oldsmobile coming back strong. It's not just nostalgia, it's bringing that vibe into today's world and proving that muscle isn't dead. In a market full of hybrids and soulless tech, the 442 is a rebel. It brings that Detroit fire back to life, and I respect that so much. One thing I do hope is that GM lets Oldsmobile really build on this. The 442 is a killer start, but imagine a full lineup, maybe a Cutlass Supreme reboot or even a Toronado GT with AWD. If this thing sells well, and it should, there's a future here. I'd love to see Olds take this momentum and run with it. So should you buy the 2026 Oldsmobile 442? If you've been dreaming of a car that delivers old-school charm with modern performance, this is it. It's bold, brash, and absolutely badass. This isn't a car you buy with your head, it's a car you buy with your heart. It brings back that emotional connection we used to have with machines before everything got sterile and silent. This is what driving is supposed to feel like. Alright folks, that's it for this review. Thanks for tuning into Furious Cars. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more real deal rides like this. Until next time, drive safe, stay crazy, and keep that engine roaring. Expected price for the 2026 Oldsmobile 442. Around $58,000 starting MSRP. Worth every penny if you ask me.